According to the National Weather Service, or NOAA, approximately 75% of all presidential disaster declarations are associated with flooding. NOAA lists the most common flood hazards in the United States as flash flooding, river flooding, storm surge and coastal inundation from tropical and non-tropical systems, burn scars and debris flows caused by wildfires, snowmelt, dry wash caused by heavy rainfall in dry areas, and dam breaks and levee failures. Just because you haven't experienced a flood doesn't mean you won't in the future. In fact, 20% of all claims paid by the National Flood Insurance Program were for policies in low-risk communities. On average, floods cost $3.5 billion in annual losses in the United States, and commercial flood claims average more than $75,000. When catastrophic water damage happens to you, SERVPRO of North Central Mesa professionals can help. They can help you prepare ahead of time with an Emergency Ready Profile, or ERP, or respond to any size disaster to begin cleanup and restoration to get you back in business as soon as possible. SERVPRO of North Central Mesa's professionals are ready to help make it like it never even happened.